The battery kept draining after the iOS 17 update on the iPhone. Hi there, here is 5 advanced guide on how to solve iPhone battery keep draining on iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get right on. Solution 1. Disable unwanted and new settings for your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Service, scroll down. Now disable location for all the apps, because this ongoing location access has a huge impact on your iPhone. Also, scroll down, tap System Services, disable the setting that you no longer need. Solution 2. Disable unwanted notification for your iPhone. Open Settings, tap Notification. Now select all the apps that you no longer need the notification of. Solution 3. Refresh the background app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. After that, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Off. Solution 4. Enable the low power mode. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Battery, and ensure to enable the low power mode. Often, enabling low power mode can help your battery to stay long. Solution 5. Using dark mode can help you to save your battery life. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Display and Brightness, and now tap on Dark, and your theme will be dark. Solution 6. Turn Auto Screen Lock in 30 seconds. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Display and Brightness, scroll down, tap on Auto Lock, and tap on 30 seconds. So this is how you can fix the battery draining problem after upgrading to iOS 17 on your iPhone. If you have any kind of questions, please ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.